Hello viewers, today we will see the last exercise in polynomial, exercise 2c. Question 1. If one zero of the polynomial is given, write the other zero. So this is a quadratic polynomial. So we know the sum of zeros is a form minus b by a, where minus b is nothing but minus of coefficient of x by a is coefficient of x squared. So here if you see, minus of minus 4 is the value of b and there is no value. So 1 is a coefficient of x squared. So 4 is the sum of zeros. And one of the zeros is already given. The other one, let's assume it as x. So x plus 2 plus square root of 3 equal to 4. So the other 0 is going to be 4 minus 2 is 2. 2 minus square root of 3. Second question, find the zeros of the polynomial x squared plus x minus p of p plus 1. So p of p plus 1 minus p of p plus 1 is a constant here, which can be written as minus p into p plus 1 to get the x value. So same way we write like before, we can frame this x squared plus p plus 1 into x minus px minus p into p plus 1. Same way how we do 12 as 4 into 3. So that's the way we are doing here with the value of p. So by taking x out and putting x plus p plus 1 in common, we can get the other factor also. So one is x minus p and other factor is x plus p plus 1. So to get the zeros, we have to equate this polynomial to 0. So x minus p equal to 0 or x plus p plus 1 equal to 0. So the value of x is p or x equal to minus of p plus 1. Next question 3, find the zeros of the polynomial x squared minus 3x minus m into m plus 3. So m into m plus 3 is the constant here. So which we can get it as m into minus of m plus 3. You can rewrite the given polynomial x squared minus m plus 3 into x plus mx minus m into m plus 3. So we can just see it is exactly a form x square minus 3x minus m into m plus 3. By taking x and out, we get one factor as x minus m minus 3 and the other factor is just plus m into x minus m minus 3. M into x, m square minus m square minus 3m. And just verify after writing. So x plus m and x minus m minus 3. So find the zeros, we have to equate these two polynomials to 0. So x plus m equal to 0, x minus m minus 3 is 0. So value of x is minus m or x equal to m plus 3. So we got the zeros. Question 4, find alpha and beta of the zeros of the polynomial such that the sum is 6 and product is 4. So it's been clearly mentioned it's a quadratic polynomial as the sum is 6 and product is 4, and which is usually mapped in such a way x square minus sum of zeros, that is alpha plus beta, plus into x plus product of zeros. So this way we can construct the polynomial. That's going to be x squared, sum is 6, or minus 6x, product is 4, so plus 4 is a constant. Next question 5, if one of the zeros of the quadratic polynomial is kx squared plus 3x plus k is 2, then find the value of k. So one of the zeros is given as 2. So that clearly shows it's a factor, so x equal to 2, which satisfies for the given polynomial kx squared plus 3x plus k. So by substituting the value of x as 2, we can get the value of k. So 4k plus 6 plus k equal to 0. That's going to be 5k equal to minus 6. As it goes to the other side, k equal to minus 6 by 5. Next question 6. If 3 is the 0 of the polynomial 2x squared plus x plus k, find the value of k. So same way, 3 is one of the zeros, that means x equal to 3. By substituting this value in the given polynomial 2x squared plus x plus k, we can get the value of k. Very similar to question 5. So 2 into x squared plus x plus k equal to 0. So 2 into 3 squared plus 3 plus k equal to 0. That's 9 to the 18. 18 plus 3 is 21. And if it goes other side, it becomes minus 21. Next question 7. If minus 4 is a 0 of the polynomial x squared minus x minus 2k plus 2, then find k. So this clearly shows x can be minus 4 as it's one of the 0. It's a factor of that polynomial. So by substituting the value of x as minus 4 to the given polynomial, we can find the value of k. Minus 4 whole square, minus of minus 4, minus 2k minus 2 equal to 0. So that's 16 plus 4 minus 2k minus 2. That's going to be 16 minus 2 is 14. 14 plus 4 is 18 minus 2k. So k is equal to 9. Question 8. If 1 is a 0 of the polynomial ax squared minus 3 into a minus 1x minus 1, find the value of k. So if one of the 0 of the given quadratic polynomial is 1, by substituting that 1 as x, we can get the value of a. So a into 1 square minus 3a minus plus 3 minus 1 equal to 0. So minus 2a plus 2 equal to 0. So value of a is 1. Next question 9. If minus 2 is a 0 of a polynomial, find the value of k. So 3x squared, by substituting minus 2 as x, as it's one of the zeros in the given polynomial 3x squared plus 4x plus 2k equal to 0. So 3 into 4 is 12 minus 8 plus 2k equal to 0. That's 2k equal to 4. So k equal to minus 2. Next question 10. Write the zeros of the given polynomial. So minus 6 can be written as minus 3 into 2. So that it becomes my 3 minus 3 plus 2 is minus x, 1x. So the polynomial can be rewritten as x squared minus 3x plus 2x minus 6. Taking x outside, it becomes x minus 3. And the other factor is plus 2. So x plus 2, x minus 3 equal to 0. By that, we get the value of x as minus 2 or x equal to 3. So we got the two zeros. Question 11, if sum of the zeros of the quadratic polynomial is 1, write the value of k. So we know sum of zeros of the quadratic polynomial is minus coefficient of x by coefficient of x square. So which is of form minus b by a. So here we know b is minus 3. So minus of minus 3 is by a is k. And sum of zeros is given as 1. So k is equal to 3. Next question 12. If the product of the zeros of the quadratic polynomial is 3, then write the value of k. So we know for the quadratic polynomials, product is of form c by a, that is nothing but constant by coefficient of x square. And the constant, if you see in the given equation, that's k, and coefficient of x square is 1, and product is 3. So value of k is 3. Next question 13. If x plus a is a factor of the given polynomial, we can write x as minus a, so that we can substitute, as it is mentioned as a factor of the given polynomial, we can substitute that value. In the given polynomial. So 2 into minus a whole square plus 2a plus 5 into minus a plus 10 equal to 0. So that becomes 2a square minus 2a square minus 5a plus 10 equal to 0. So plus and minus 2a square goes off. That's going to be a is 2. Next question 14. If a minus b, a and a plus b are the zeros of the polynomial, it's a cubic polynomial. So that's why we have 3 zeros value. So sum of zeros is of form minus b by a. Minus b is the coefficient of x square, sorry x, and a is coefficient of x square. So in the given question, b value is, sum is already, we have to sum all the 3 zeros. That's the left hand side. So b and b goes off in the left hand side. And minus of minus 6, that's the value of b. And value of a is 2. So that's going to be 6 by 2, 3. So 3a on the left hand side equal to 3 numeral on the right hand side. So a equal to 1. I believe it's useful. Please do share and subscribe. Thank you.